Hello guys, welcome to another video on the channel. Today it's a bit special, mostly because it's the first time that I'm actually talking to you, and also because it is a bit different kind of video. It's the first episode of turning Minecraft into a rally game. Today I'm just going to start a local server and install a few essential plugins, because I don't want to use any mods. Just plugins and resource packs. So let's get right into it. I'm going to start by downloading Spigot, which is the platform that I'm going to be running the server on. So I need to go to this site and find the version that I want to use, which is 1.19.4, and hit download. It should load up the download window, yeah, just like that, and hit save. Once the file is downloaded, we need to create a new folder with the server name. I'm going to call it Rally Game Server and move the downloaded file there. Just like so. And also you want to remove the version number, so just call it spigot. And now I'm going to create a new text document where I'm going to write the command to launch the server. This number right here sets the amount of RAM that my server is going to be using. In this case it's 2 GB. And the file that we want to run . And now we need to save it as run.bat and hit save. Now, once we run the file, it is going to start the server. And then it's going to fail because we didn't agree to EULA, which we have to. By the way, the EULA file is not going to be created if you don't have Java installed, so do that in the first place, but I'm not really going into detail about this. You can find plenty of tutorials on YouTube on how to install Java. I'm just going to agree to the EULA, save it, and run the file again. And now it should start the server. Once the server is loaded up, you can add it to Minecraft. I'm gonna call it Rally Game Server, and you can join it using this address. Just like that. Now I'm also going to make myself the operator using the server console. As you can see, I can now change game modes and also use commands. As you can see, there are now 0 plugins, so that's the last thing I'm going to do. Install a few plugins. I have prepared a few essential plugins that I'm going to use, starting with Skript, which is going to be the most important one. I'm just going to go ahead and download it. The next one is WorldGuard and WorldEdit as well, so I'm going to download both of them. I made a little mistake here. I accidentally downloaded the latest file, which doesn't work on Minecraft 1.19, so I had to fix it later by downloading the correct version. Once all of the plugins are downloaded, I can go ahead and move them to the plugins folder in the server folder, and after restarting the server they should all work just fine. I had to fix a quick issue with the plugins, but everything should be working now, so after restarting the server you can see all the plugins I downloaded are here up and running. So that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!